Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to activate Hey Google feature on this device. So firstly, let's open the Google folder and enter Google. Now we have to tap on this three dots icon and tap on the settings right here. Now let's enter Google Assistant. And as you can see in the popular settings, on the very first position we've got a voice match, so simply tap on it. Here we've got Hey Google option, which is right now turned off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here. And as you can see, this is the very first stage of adding our voice to the Google Assistant, so simply tap on next. Here we have to agree to voice match, so just tap on I agree. And as you can see, I've already added my voice to the Hey Google, so right now it will be recognized. All we have to do is simply tap on continue. And let me show you how it will look like in your case if you will turn it on for the very first time. So let me tap here. And as you can see, you will see this circle and you will have to say those words which will be listed here. So let me do it. Okay, Google. Okay, okay, Google. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. So as you can see, this is how it will look like if you will turn it on, turn this feature for the very first time. So all you will have to do is simply tap on next and tap on finish. And this is it. This is how to add the Hey Google option to your device. So let me try it and say Hey Google. And as you can see, the voice assistant is turned on. So let me try it again. Hey Google, what's the weather like in Krakow? And as you can see here, we've got the results of our Hey Google feature. So actually that's all. This is how to activate Hey Google in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.